court of law, that is civil and criminal court. Civil and the constitution of the criminal court is dealt with chapter 2 section 6 to section 25 LCRPC. There are five kinds of criminal court. One is Supreme Court, apex court of the country, established under Article 124 of the Constitution of India. Location in New Delhi. Presided over by the Chief Justice of India, who is appointed by the President. Of India. Power over lower court. To supervise all lower court. Parties dissatisfied with the decision in various high courts may go for an appeal in a Supreme Court. The law declared by it is binding on all courts in India. The article, that is Article 141. Article 141 of Constitution. Power it can try all kinds of criminal case offences. It can pass any death sentence authorized by law, including the death sentence. Jurisdiction, that is original jurisdiction, means the case comes straight away to the Supreme Court without going to the any lower court first. Supreme Court has original jurisdiction only in cases where there is a dispute between Government of India and the state, and between two states. Article 131 of Constitution of India. Appellate jurisdiction. Appellate jurisdiction means that the case comes to Supreme Court after being decided in lower court, comes to Supreme Court. After having decided by lower court because of the parties is not satisfied with the decision. In all cases not involving Government of India or of any state, Supreme Court has an appellate jurisdiction, that is a court of appeal. പിന്നെ അടുത്ത പോയിന്റ്, സുപ്രീം കോർട്ടിൽ 34 ജഡ്ജസ് ഉണ്ട്. പിന്നെ അവിടുത്തെ ലെസ് ദാൻ 65 ഇയേഴ്സാണ് ആ ചീഫ് ജസ്റ്റിസ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ്റെ അകത്തുള്ള. 34 ഒരാൾ, 33 ജഡ്ജിമാരും 31 ചീഫ് ജസ്റ്റിസ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യയും. പിന്നെ പറയാനുള്ളത് പറഞ്ഞല്ലോ 131 എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത്. പിന്നെ ഈ ജഡ്ജിന്, ഇവിടെയുള്ള ചീഫ് ജസ്റ്റിസിന് ഹൈക്കോടതിയിൽ 5 വർഷമോ അഡ്വക്കേറ്റ് 10 വർഷമായിട്ടോ ഇത് നോക്കണം. പിന്നെ ദാറ്റ്സ് ഓൾ ഫോർ ദ സുപ്രീം കോർട്ട്.